So what are the things needed for programming? We need a computer, and then we need a text editor or IDE we call as integrated development environment. I will explain that later. Okay. So we are using, which editor we are using? We are using PyCharm as a editor, and then we need a compiler interpreter that will compile or interpret the instruction that we are given. I will explain that later. Okay, and then we need a programming language. Okay, so which programming language we have used? Python. Very good. Okay, and then the fifth and the most important person is we. A person who gives instruction, they are called programmer. And so though I am a programmer, if I don't know Python, I cannot create I should know the programming language. Okay. So 6th point is no knowledge about the programming language. Okay. Any questions here?